Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick Amore. My name is Jyoti and today I got my November Ipsy bag. Yay! I always get excited every time I get an Ipsy bag or the Boxy Charm. I do like how the bag looks this month. Ooh. It's very fashionable. And I already made it dirty. So I have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month. I get 5 products every single month, where I believe I get 1 full-size product out of all of them. First up is Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. I actually chose this one this month out of the products that they had. This concealer is pretty famous. I hear other beauty YouTubers talk about it all the time, and it is valued at $27. It's a matte finish formula, blendable, buildable, and goes on without looking streaky or cakey. Now, I am going to be trying out all of these products on my face. Actually, they are already on my face, but I'm going to walk you through them, apply them on my face, and kind of take you along with me. Then we have this eyeliner here. It's by Tristique, and it's an eye pencil in Santorini Black Sand is the shade. Long-lasting formula, stays put all day, aka from your early morning meeting until your post-dinner cocktails. Yeah, like, of course, because that's what we do all the time. Dinner cocktails is a pretty normal thing for us, yeah. I got a little confused when I initially opened it, and I was like, how am I supposed to use this pencil right here? It turns out it's just a cap that looks like a pencil. So the real pencil is right here. I butchered it. I thought there was a sharpener, and I tried to sharpen the pencil, but it turns out it was just a cap. Oops. So on one side is the pencil, and on the other side there is like this. Oh, I found the sharpener. Okay, this is interesting. So here's the sharpener, but what had happened last time was this was in like this, and right above this gray line, this is the smudger. Next is a mascara. Eyeko Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Carbon Black, and it's valued at $26. The full size is valued at $26. Then we have a liquid lipstick. This is by Jules Smith Beauty, $18. The beautiful neutral rose liquid lipstick. This is the shade Namaste All Day. Aw, that's cute. It's inspired by the power of a gate. So every time you swipe it across your lips, we hope, you'll feel creativity, harmony, and protection. Well, you can keep hoping, but I doubt that swiping lipstick on your lips will make you feel creativity, harmony, and protection. Oh man. Last thing I got is this perfume. It's a sample size perfume. Just Box perfume, and it's called Feather Supreme. The full size bottle is pretty expensive. It's valued at $190 for a 78 milliliter bottle. It's inspired by the Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin. It's warm and inviting notes of jasmine, tuberose, rose, mandarin, apple, and musk. I did spray it before. What's interesting about this perfume is when you first spray it, it smells very cheap, but as time is passing by, somehow the fragrance is getting nicer and nicer. It's kind of odd. It's a nice, like a decent perfume smell. It's not funky, it's nothing special. It's just like, if you were wearing this, you can say, okay, that's a nice perfume, but nothing unique or special about it, but it is nice. These are the 5 products that I got in my Ipsy bag. I am going to go ahead and apply them on my face, and let's check them out. All right, I want to start off with the concealer. It's so cute, it's so tiny. All right. my first time ever using Shape Tape. Yay! It feels like Milani's Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This one, I didn't get a good coverage on this side. My eye is still feeling a little bit dark. It's a good concealer, it's decent, but for a high-end concealer that is more expensive, I'm not sure if it's worth it. It doesn't smell like paint the way Milani's Conceal and Perfect Concealer does, but I would say Milani's concealer does a much better job than this Shape Tape. So I am glad that I got the mini one, because now I know that I'm not going to purchase the full price one, because it's just not significantly better, or it's actually a little bit worse than a drugstore concealer that I already have. Best Gel Liner, 16-hour wear and intense instant color, glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Transfer proof and water resistant. Okay, it feels very soft. It's kind of hard to believe that this would be transfer proof and water resistant. I would definitely have to test it out. It looks absolutely stunning in the waterline. It gives a very nice and dramatic look to the eye when you put it in the waterline, but definitely a big no-no to create wing eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up over here. So it does have a little smudgy thing on the other side if you wanted to create a smudged look. I do really like the smudger. It gives a nice effect. It softens up the liner a little bit. It helps blend it in better. I think it looks really good. Mascara is priced at $26, as I mentioned before. And here's what the wand looks like. Interesting shape. It's very like, I feel like it's so wet. Like my lashes are super wet. If that makes sense. I've never had a mascara like this before. It's kind of strange. It's a strange product. Ooh, not good. Try to bring it closer so you can see how clumpy it is. Right over here. It's very hard to separate the lashes with this wand. It's just so full of product. Not a good mascara at all. I'm gonna try to use like just a regular wand. See if I can separate out my lashes a little bit. So if you happen to have this mascara in your Ipsy bag this month, you could fix your problem just a little bit by using another clean wand. Yeah, this seems to be working. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on. I'm going to apply some blush before I get on to the next product from the Ipsy bag, which was the liquid lipstick. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply Milani's Nude Kiss. This is a new blush. Then I'm gonna apply Soul Body's bronzer in shade medium. Milani's Baked Highlighter. Now on my lips, I did have a ColourPop lip gloss on, which is a super sticky lip gloss. And I'm just gonna dab it down a little bit. I do like this shade. It's the typical shade that I normally wear, which is like a little bit of a pink color. It did apply nicely. It did not sink into my lines. No weird texture. A pretty good, nice, smooth liquid lipstick. I do see that the liquid lipstick is starting to dry out, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this LA Colors lip oil. Face is done with my Ipsy bag. Now talking about all the 5 products, the first one, the concealer, the Shape Tape one, this one, I didn't find anything special in it. The only thing I really liked about this is how cute that cap is, but that's pretty much about it. And then our second product here, the liner. The only thing I liked about the liner was that smudgy side of the liner. When it comes to the actual liner, it did look really nice in the waterline, but I wouldn't say that there was anything special about it when it comes to applying it on the top part of the eyelid. The mascara was a complete disaster. I don't recommend this mascara at all based on how it applied on my eyes today. I don't know what's going on with it. It's the high-end mascara, pretty expensive. Like, I don't get it. How are you charging so much when your product is not good? I don't know if it's just maybe the sample size, the formula is not right. Because there have been other mascaras where I've used the sample size and I was like, what is this? But I heard good things about those mascaras. So not sure if it has something to do with the sample size, but it did not come out looking good today. I do like the liquid lipstick. It applied nicely, nothing weird. The application was really nice and smooth. I'll just have to test out to see how it wears as the day progresses. This month I felt like the bag for me personally was not that great. Last month was really good, but this month most of the products didn't really work for me. So the only thing that I could really use from the bag is the liquid lipstick. 1 product out of 5. I'm definitely not using the mascara again. I might use the liner, and I probably won't use the perfume. I might actually use the Shape Tape just to finish it, and maybe I'm curious to give it another try because it's so popular. But that's about it. It's really 1 out of 5 products. So November Ipsy bag, not the best bag, but I did like the bag itself. Though, it's quite nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video looking at what I got in my Ipsy bag this month. And if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button. Leave me some comments. Do you have Ipsy? What did you get in your Ipsy bag this month? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!